Welcome to Engine Carbon Cleaning Care. Today we discuss about what is Engine Carbon Cleaning Care service. The Engine Carbon Cleaning Care machine works by using distilled water to create two hydrogen and oxygen which pass through the air intake of an engine and out through the exhaust system as a gas, helping to remove the excess carbon that leads to poor running issues. It's a simple and safe process and requires no dismantling of engine parts or the use of harmful chemical products. We recommended using the Engine Carbon Cleaning service as part of your vehicle's regular maintenance schedule. How does carbon deposits engine? Carbon deposits and buildup are a byproduct of combustion in an engine that comes from incomplete fuel combustion. This black soot, similar to that which collects in a chimney, will harden on internal engine components such as injector nozzles, cylinder walls, intake valves, and more. How do I know if my car needs carbon cleaning? Power loss when driving at high speed. Engine misfires. Reduced mileage. Check engine light turned on. Engine judder at idle speed. Whenever your engine is running, there is some form of carbon residue that is left from imperfect combustion. So, this service is recommended to be completed every 15,000 kilometers or 6 months. Carbon cleaning benefits. More performance. Lower emissions. Fuel savings. Smooth driving. Restored power. Less vibrations. Restored torque. Further information call 8939 000 119 7449 1000019.